Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to adjust headlights on Ford Transit easy method. Start by parking the van on level ground, facing a flat wall 4 to 10 meters away. Measure the center of each headlight to the ground and transfer those heights to the wall using tape. Turn the headlights on low beam and note where the brightest spots hit. I will walk you through each screw and bolt to safely align both beams. Gather tools before you start so the job is smooth and fast. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a 10 mm socket, a small flat wrench, a tape measure, masking tape, and a marker. Position your transit on level ground facing a wall at 4 to 10 meters and mark the headlight centers. Turn on low beams and inspect patterns. I will guide you to adjust vertical then horizontal screws for proper alignment. Start with the low beam on and a helper if available to observe changes. Open any trim or caps to reach the vertical and horizontal adjustment screws. Turn the vertical screw to move the hotspot so its top sits 1 inch below the tape line. Then turn the horizontal screw until the beam center matches the tape center on the wall. Tighten every fastener, replace trims, and test by driving to confirm safe coverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.